In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work your single leg stability using a balance pad. So when we're doing any single leg stability exercise, the most common one is just to stand on one leg. So if I've got somebody that's rehabbing and I'm standing them on one leg and they've got really good at that, but maybe I don't want them to quite go on to movement exercises yet, I would get them doing the exact same exercise on a balance pad. The reason for this is it's substantially harder. There's a lot more to think about. With the floor doesn't move. We know that we're in a stationary point. I can really focus where I want to put my foot on the floor. Whereas with a balance pad, you've got a lot of variability because you've got a little bit of sponginess in the pad that then you're going to have to control, as well as just being on one leg and balancing, right? So what I want you to do is step onto the pad. I've got a narrow stance here, so both my feet are pointing forwards. However, they're a little bit narrower than hip width apart. I'm now going to bring one leg into a flex position at the knee, which means I'm basically going to take it out the way, and I'm going to stand and utilize my left leg here for this example. I'm now having to balance on one leg, and I'm working substantially harder than if I was going to do this on the floor. That is how to work your single leg ankle stability on a balance pad. You repeat this for your desired amount of sets and repetitions or seconds.